Hi, EDU 250. I know you guys are probably breathing a sigh of relief since you are finished with the praxis prep portion of this class. I wanted to let you guys know you've done a great job sticking with your study plans, and I have enjoyed reading your reflections and seeing those practice test scores go up as you have worked and studied, and I sure hope you are planning to take those praxis tests soon so that you don't lose the prep work you've already done, and that you will continue to practice and use the resources to get better and better and be ready to enter an educator preparation program soon. Let's take a look at Blackboard. We are switching gears this week. We're taking a deep look at the North Carolina Professional Teaching Standards. Here is a quick overview of the North Carolina Professional Teaching Standards, and then there are a couple of links that are going to help you kind of unpack and even read and learn more about the North Carolina Professional Teaching Standards. Really, the reason I wanted to come to you guys in a video is to make sure you look at this assignment closely. This assignment is not due until the last week of class, Wednesday, May the 3rd, but it is a activity plan and an implementation activity, and it is going to help prepare you for the process of the EdTPA. We're going to look even more at the EdTPA next week, but this week I wanted you to have all of this information so you can start making arrangements and plans to present an activity to a group of children. So step one, you need to identify a classroom and obtain video permission forms for students in that class to participate in your activity. Many of you have already made connections with classroom teachers through EDU 187 and EDU 279. If you have not done those classes, or you may also have made connections through your different observations in the early childhood education program if you're pursuing the BK license. So get started on that. Find a classroom where you can present the activity. You're going to plan an activity based on the North Carolina Standard Course of Study for the grade level and subject area of the identified classroom. Of course, I would like for you to choose a classroom in a grade level and subject area that you're interested in teaching. You are going to write a detailed activity plan. Remember, activity plan details are important, and whenever you submit an activity plan, you should be submitting it with enough detail that if I wanted to, I could pick up your activity plan and go to the classroom and implement it myself. That's how detailed your activity plans need to be. They need to be fully planned out. And then you are going to implement the activity and video yourself implementing the activity. The video has to be at least 15 minutes in length. It may be longer than that. And you're going to submit your video via Blackboard using a YouTube link. The step 4 of this assignment is the reflection on effectiveness of the activity. So those are the guiding questions to think about. We will get a lot more into this process, and you'll see how it mirrors the EdTPA process that you'll have to do at the end of your educator preparation program. But for this week, I wanted you to be aware, start reading the guidelines, and start identifying a classroom for implementing the activity. Assignments that are due this week are a discussion board about the teaching standards in action and a reflective paper about the teaching standards. This paper should be at least 2 to 3 pages, and you should give a summary of the standards. You should reflect how you've seen teachers display the standards, and then I want you to personally reflect on some areas that you see that are strengths for yourself and areas where you see opportunities for improvement when you read over the teaching standards and understand them more in depth. If you have any questions, I'm around, and I hope you guys have a great week.